Hi, this is Anthony Coluca with Makino's EDM Applications Department. Today we're going to go over a filter change on our UX series machine. So, first step is we want to come to the control here, hit our Others button, and go ahead and turn our pumps off. Then we can work our way over to the side of the machine here. So, now that we've turned the pumps off in the front of the machine, we're back at our filter cabinet here. We can go ahead and purge our filters full of water. So when I press this button, it's sending compressed air through all the filters. So when we dispose of them, they're not going to be all mucky and wet. So usually you want to hold this button for around 15-30 seconds. Make sure all the water's out. Then we can let go. Now we can lift this door up and simply disconnect our dirty filter. Pull it out of the filter housing. Take our brand new filter, stick it back in, and connect it back up. So now that we've changed our filters out, we can come back up to the control here, turn our pumps back on, and that's it. Thank you. This has been a filter change on Makino's UX series machine.